Electricity. When you live in an RV, electricity is what I call a variable concern. For example, if I were to turn this toaster on without turning that space heater off, I would lose all power. However, when you own a coffee roasting business like I do, you don't expect electricity to be a concern. You walk in, you turn the power on, the lights come on. Let me prove it to you. Hey! But on November 26, 2021, believe it or not, my coffee roasting machine got hit by a bolt of lightning. So lightning hit that chimney stack right there. It traveled down the chimney and into the machine and fried everything. And the following week, chaos ensued. I had about 1,100 pounds of coffee that my customers needed in about 3 days. So I didn't know what to do. My coffee roasting machine was broken because it just got hit by a bolt of freaking lightning, and I had 1,100 pounds of coffee due in a few days. So I had to reach out to one of my direct competitors and ask him for help. Boom, boom. You know, that was his opportunity to let my business burn to the ground, but he didn't. He helped me out. So in this episode, we're gonna go meet a guy, my direct competitor. We're gonna go on a beautiful hike. Let's go. Giovanni, what's up, brother?
Dude, I don't think I'm ready for a hike, man.
You're gonna be fine, dude.
Thank you, dude.
Let's do this. All right, Giovanni, so you own a coffee roasting company. I also own a coffee roasting company.
Yes.
It's like 5 miles away from yours.
Right.
So in my time of need and desperation, you decided to help me. What did you think when I called you asking for help, and why did you help me?
I learned that in order to have a successful life, you have to live life by principles. And there's a principle that I live by, and it's treat others as you want to be treated. And that's just really what went through my head. And I said, let's roll out the sleeves and let's see how we can help this brother in need. And let's get him out of this ditch.
Well, you got me out of that ditch, and now I've got you out of the ditch. So tell me a little bit more about you. I know you came over here as an immigrant from Guatemala.
Mm-hmm.
Now you own your own coffee roasting business, which is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
How did all this get started?
My family is all in the coffee industry. We've been growing coffee for over 100 years. We own this farm, beautiful place in Guatemala. So I thought that it could be awesome if I could bring coffee and share with my friends. That was really the essence of what if you could do that. And so I started with 50 bags. That grew to a couple 100 pounds of coffee. And then I did it as a passion. I would do it I would go to work from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. I had my computer programming job. And then from 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. I would do the roasting stuff. And fast forward that to where we are today. We're importing 40,000 pounds of coffee, distributing coffee throughout the entire country.
Well, man, again, I am so thankful for your help. It is so cool that two direct competitors can help each other out in a time and so as a token of my appreciation,
All right.
I'm buying coffee from your family farm.
Yes,
and my
thank
customers next month are gonna get your coffee.
you, and I'm looking forward to that.
Yes, and as another token of my appreciation, we just did an epic hike, so I brought us some lunch.
Oh,
So let's enjoy some peanut butter sandwiches.
Dude, thank you so much.
Okay, it took a week to repair my machine from the lightning damage and $12,000. Ugh. But all of my customers got their coffee in time thanks to Giovanni Levias. So, like I said I would do, I bought a bag of coffee from his family farm in Guatemala. It's 150 pounds. My customers are getting this coffee next month, and I'm really looking forward to just serving this coffee and paying this back to Giovanni. You know, it can be a challenge to the ego to reach out to your direct competitor during a crisis and ask for help, but I'm really glad that I did. I truly feel as if friendship was born that's gonna last a very long time. So if you like this content, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next adventure.